When I was 2, I had rhabdomyosarcoma, a cancer, and the treatment caused a lot of late effects that I've had to deal with for a long time. Chemo messed up my teeth particularly, and radiation messed up my back. Uh, in so like for the past 5.5 years, I've had to have a back surgery, like a spinal fusion. I've had to have 7 implants put in. I've had a double jaw surgery. Um, I've had 2 rounds of braces. Just all like a bunch of things to get my get everything back to normal. Well, I'm able to eat normally. I'm able to smile more naturally. Uh, like just kind of quality of life has been improved. This is the last like big thing for the foreseeable future. I don't have any more surgeries. Thank you for helping me get to this point. It's been long, and you guys have been really helpful, like getting us to this point.